Warrior Plus account sign up. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm telling you how you can sign up for Warrior Plus and how to create an account on Warrior Plus and do affiliate marketing. So let's get started. Now what you have to do is just come to warriorplus.com. Warrior Plus is an amazing affiliate marketing automation platform where you will get this amazing marketplace where you can find digital business products that you can actually do affiliate marketing for. The affiliate marketing products have a good amount of commission and you can earn a good amount of money. So to sign up for Warrior Plus, what you have to do is just come to the website and you will see the option of free sign up right here. So I'm going to click on this. Now here we have to add our username, password and email address. I'm going to quickly add my username. So what you have to do is just add your name, set up a reasonable password and then add your email address, and after that check I am not a robot and click on create account. Now to activate your account you will get an email, your Gmail of course. What you have to do is just verify your account and then you will be able to get started. So I'm just gonna go ahead and verify my email real quick. So yeah guys, I have verified my email and you can see my Warrior Plus account has been created. It was super easy. It literally takes 1 minute to sign up for Warrior Plus. The process is completely easy. So what happens is when you sign up for Warrior Plus, this is where you will land. You will see the option of Marketplace right here. In Marketplace, you get the option of Home, Top Products, Categories, Alerts and Deal of the Day. Then there is a vendor option. If you are a vendor, you will just select the option of Dashboard, Offers, Product, Shared Products, Customers, Transactions, Stats, Link Stats, Sales Report, Affiliates, Contest, Coupons, Commission Rules and JV Center. And after that there is an option of Affiliate, and in Affiliate you will get the option of Dashboard, Offers, SAT, Transaction, Contest and Launch Calendar. Now it depends on you what you want to do on Warrior Plus. You can see that the option is given right here as well, that if you want to sell your own product, or you want to earn money as an affiliate, or you want to buy product and provide the service. So it depends on you what you want to do. So right now I'm going to show you that you are working as an affiliate marketer. You are looking to do affiliate marketing on Warrior Plus. So what happens is we come to Affiliate and we'll go to Offers right here. Now if I want to go to Dashboard, I will just simply click on Dashboard and it will take me. I will actually show you how the dashboard of affiliate marketing looks like. So let's go to Offers because this is where we find different products to do affiliate marketing for. You will actually see a lot of offers right here and there are hundreds of products to choose from, and you can see this is the option where we get affiliate offers. So you will see the offer title. If I want to search any affiliate offer, any product, I can just add the title right here. If I want to search the affiliate product by vendor name, I can just simply type right here and then sort by. It is a filter option where I can actually filter my offers according to their show and their recurring and their show stats and by categories as well. So if I scroll down, you will see all of these different offers. These are the offers that I can do affiliate marketing for. I can request their affiliate marketing, and this is so simple guys. I just created an account and now I can do affiliate marketing. So when you see an offer, for example, let's check this out. So what happens is that the release date, this is the release date that you see, that this offer this product was out for release on this date. Then you can see the sales right here, that how many sales for a certain product has been made. As you can see, this product has more than about 1,000 sales, 2,000, 7,500, and similarly all of these different sales are shown here. Then the conversion rate is given right here. For example, the conversion rate for this offer is 7%, this one has 11%, this one has 19%, and then visitor value is shown right here. Average sale value will be shown here, and refund rate is also shown here. So you can see this is the information you see for everything, and you can see there are hundreds of products to choose from. And you can see right here that there are hundreds of products to choose from. So let's just say that I want to request a affiliate marketing for affiliate link for a product. So what we do is just simply click on the product. Look at this one. So let's request the affiliate link for this product. So when we click on the request, then the Warrior Plus actually takes us to the information for that product, and right here you can see that this is the product that I chose, right? So you can see the overview of the product will be given right here. This is the funnel map for the product and different products that are actually available. For example, this was the offer by Charm, right? So you will see all of the different products right here, and the price is given here. So this product is for $20 and the commission is 70%. Now, this is the good thing about Warrior Plus. The platform is super easy to use, and you can just sign up, you can request your affiliate links, and the commission is up to 50 and 60%. That's a high ticket affiliate marketing right here. So you actually get these different, look at this one, 70%, and just for $20. So this is pretty good, and you can actually, request any affiliate link for any of these products. Is super easy. And then if I want to go and check out the page for this product, the sale page, then I can just simply click on view sales page, and when I click on that, Warrior Plus will actually take me to the sales page of that product, and I can actually check out the product myself before requesting a sale. I can check out other products as well, and I can check out the funnel map and overview as well. So this is how you do affiliate marketing on Warrior Plus. So our sales page is kind of loading, so I'm just gonna give it a minute. So you can see right here that this is also the vendor's information is also given right here. So you can see this is by the digital page designs, right? So the price range is from $20 to $197. The product range, of course, a commission range is from $14 up to $800. It's almost $900, guys. So this is pretty good. And other offer stats are, for example, the sales are more than 20,000 and visitor value is $2, and then conversion rate is 9%, pretty good, and refund rate is 2%, and many people have actually liked the offer as well. So you get the information right here before choosing a plan, before you choose a product to do affiliate marketing for. You can check out the vendor right here, you can check out their sales page, you can check out their other products. So Warrior Plus allows you to do affiliate marketing with all of these different features that it provides you to make it easy for you, and is super beginners friendly, and it's not that hard to use at all. All I have to do is just request the approval, and it will send a request to the product. So it will give me the information and it will send my request to the vendor. So the product page, you can see right here, this is how you check out the sales page. Now I can actually check out the product I'm going to do affiliate marketing for. I can just check out the product right here. So yeah, this is how Warrior Plus actually works. And when we go back to our account, and this is where I was on the offers for affiliate, the dashboard for affiliate is where I will be able to see what is it will be actually my dashboard, where I will be able to see the different offers that I have requested approval for, or the sales that I have made. Unfortunately, I do not have any sales right now, but when you will actually see your sales for today, yesterday, last 7 days, and last 30 days right here, and it is updated every minute. And this is your sales dashboard as an affiliate marketing. Now there are many other options as well on Warrior Plus. I wanted to show you around if you are using Warrior Plus as an affiliate marketer. Of course, this is the dashboard of it. Then if I want to check the stats, I will just simply click on stats, and it will show me the stats for my product and the sales that I'm doing. Then I can check out the transactions as well. You can see these are the affiliate stats for my items. I do not have any item, that's why why it's not showing here. If I had different items, they would have been shown here. So after that, there is a contest option and launch calendar. If I want to, keep it organized, and if I want to check out different contests, then I can do that as well. So yeah, guys, this is how Warrior Plus works, and I showed you how to sign up for Warrior Plus and how to use Warrior Plus as a affiliate marketing to do affiliate marketing. I hope that I was a big help to you. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.